Hi guys, welcome to another video here on the channel. Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to go ahead and announce the giveaway winner of the Freedom Mastery Law of Attraction Planner. The winner is Gabrielle Smith. Congrats, Gabrielle. Please claim your prize by sending me your contact information, your full name and address to chaoticcritic@gmail.com. I would love to get this out to you as soon as possible. Thank you to all who entered, and there will be more giveaways to come, maybe this month, but definitely in 2020. So thank you guys again for entering the giveaway, and congrats, Gabrielle. Again, send me your contact information, full name and address to my email. Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another edition in my Planning for 2020 series. For those of you new to the channel, this series features videos on tips and tricks to help you choose the right planner for the new year. I will have it linked in the description box for you to check out. Today, I'm going to be sharing the inserts that I'm going to be using in 2020. The planner that I have is this ARC half-letter disc-bound system. I do have all the details on this planner linked in the description box, and I will be doing a full setup start to finish on my 2020 planner, but this video we're just going to be looking at the inserts, and then I'm going to be doing a separate video on why I chose these inserts and going more in depth. So stay tuned for that. So I came across this Etsy shop called Dear Planner, randomly searching on Instagram, and I wanted to originally purchase inserts from Cloth and Paper. I was going to get the daily because it was dated and I didn't want to have to date anything for 2020, just the convenience of it. But I started to want more things, and adding them to my cart, even with the coupon code that she had for the shop for Black Friday weekend, it was out of my budget, and I had a $100 budget for Black Friday, and I do have a video on that for my low income budget series. I'll link that for you guys to check out so you can see if I stayed within my budget or not. But this was just more affordable for all that I wanted, and I got a total of 4 inserts. So I got 4 inserts. The 4th insert I purchased multiple copies of, which you'll see as we go through this, but still, for what I purchased, I ended up paying under $40. The Etsy shop was 25% off, and there was free shipping. So my total would have been $47.25. The discount was $11.81. The total came out to $35.44. Add tax of $2.35. My order total was $37.79. I'm sharing the price with you guys for a reason, because I know that I also get a lot of questions on just affordability when it comes to planning. At the end of the day, this is planning. It's pen to paper. And I know a lot of people don't want to spend a lot of money on their planners, but this, to me, people also print their printables. This is more convenient for me. I don't feel like having to buy the ink. I'm also not a master at having to size things down. This is already done for me. So while there's a lot of shops on Etsy, such as like Peanuts Planner Co., Annie Plans Printables, that you can print your inserts, for me, the convenience of having this, also Cloth and Paper has it where they will send it to you printed as well, in a variety of sizes. This for me just works out so much better. So if you guys would like to save with this shop, this was not sponsored. I did spend my own money on this. So there's a printable shop that she has where you can save 10%, and the code is HEY, DLSave10. And then there is the regular printed shop for the inserts, which is Plan to Save 15. I will have both of these codes linked in the description box if you would like to check this out and purchase yourself. But we're going to go through all the ones I got, and we're going to talk pricing, and we're going to look at the layout. So if you guys, again, would like more information on the codes, I'll have them linked in the description box. But that's about it. The sizing that she offers, this is half letter. She also offers pocket, and there's personal, personal wide, and then the Franklin Covey, she also has that. So the first one we're going to start off with is the month and list format, and this is the month on 2 pages. This insert is $5.50. Each one of them comes wrapped like this. And then as for the layout, here you have it. So January 2020, you have 1 through 31, and it has the days of the week on the side, and the weekend portion is in bold to highlight that. And then at the bottom you have this dot grid space. This would be great for you to track things, to write out what you have to do for that day. This is great for future planning. Just a few ideas if you're interested in this kind of insert. And each month is like this. It's literally back to back. So February, March, very, very simplistic. If you're looking for minimal planning, this is a great option. And then at the very end of the year, here you have it. And then here is the back side. Now, I will say that I probably will be decorating this a little bit. Maybe some inspirational stuff because this is very, very bland to me. But again, if you like minimal planning, then this is something that would be great for you. So that's insert number 1. And again, that one is $5.50. Moving on to insert number 2, the month on 1 page, which is January to December of 2020. This is another dated option. And this is a Sunday start. She also had the Monday start option. I start my weeklies on Monday, but calendar wise, I like the Sunday start. So on the back of this page, there's this dot grid. I don't really care about this, so I'll probably be removing this from my planner. But each month you have the month half the sheet, you have notes and important dates at the bottom, and then you have a dot grid on the back. And this insert is also, no, this insert is $6. And each month is like that. Again, that minimal aesthetic. And it goes all the way to December. I like the dot grid on the back. You can write additional notes. Or you can also do doodling. And I love that it's dot grid. Gives a little more flexibility. You can add stickers if that's something you want to do. So that is insert number 2. Moving on to insert number 3. This one, I was very, very happy with this one. It's a little bit of everything. And this is the yearly calendar. This one is $5. And in this one, you get 1 page of the 12 months. So a perpetual calendar, 1 list of holidays, the year on 2 pages, 1 page year fold out undated, and then a 1 page year fold out that is dated. So let's take a closer look. So here's the perpetual calendar. Nothing on the back. Here are the 2020 notable dates for the entire year. And then here is the year on 2 pages. One thing I was thinking of is putting the perpetual here and then like taping it. This is where the modifying your planner comes in that I talked about before in other videos. And then I would put the holidays here. I would have to trim this part off, but that wouldn't be a big deal just to take up that white space. But I'm not sure yet, but that's what you get. The perpetual, the holidays, and then the month on 2 pages. And then you get these fold outs, which I love. So this one is dated. This is good for a tracker. Not exactly sure. You can track a variety of things. This is also good if you want to track like your paydays. You can do that. For me, I babysit. I'm a part-time nanny, so I could put in my hours as well. This one, the second one that's here, is more of a tracker where you can be more specific, like notes and stuff. So I'll get more in depth on how I plan on using this, the ideas that I have in part 2 of this video. But would love to let me know down in the comment section how you guys would use these pages. But I love that this is a fold out. This is also good for social media tracking, to track how many times you did a post. And then this one you could use for like videos and stuff, if that's what you do, and then put a note of like your top video or something like that. So that's another option. But let me know down in the comment section how you would use these fold outs. But I like that this insert set had a little bit of everything. And again, this one was $5. Was it $5? $5.50? $5.50. Oh, I think she might have upped the prices. Okay, so let me go back a little bit with the pricing. So this one, the month on one page, which is this format, the month on one page is $5.75. Then the month in list format is $6. So this one here, the month on 2 pages in list format, is $6. And then the month on, well, this month, what is this one called again? The yearly calendar one is $5.50. And then the last one I got, which is this weekly planner, the week on one page is $5, and this one is undated. So you have your week over here, Monday through Sunday. Then you have priorities, to do, and notes. And then on the back you have this dot grid space. Each of these sets come with 10. So you basically get like a month and a half. So I bought 6 of them. And again, using that coupon code really worked to my advantage. But I wanted to start using these now. I didn't want to wait. And I'm very, very happy with these. So I've started using them now. It all works great. But if you guys would like to see how I use this, you'll have to check out a week in my planner video that's going to be coming. Setting up a week in my planner. So stay tuned for that. But I really do like these. She also had a daily option, but again, I didn't feel the need to buy dailies. If the printed version versus writing it out for myself really does bother me, then I will get it and, you know, just use the coupon code. And then the last thing she sent were these blanks for doodles or pen tests, etc. And this would be good for me to use for the dailies if I want to just write the date at the top in a running to-do list of what I need to get done. So I would get my use out of these. But overall, I really do like these inserts. And if you guys are looking for a clean look with nothing too fancy, I would definitely check this out. I did start using one in my planner this past week. So it worked out pretty good. So here's how it looked for this past week. I just wrote the week at the top, and then I put my highlights of the day over here, and then my categories that I created in my own dailies, I just broke this up here. So my regular personal to-dos I put in the notes section, and then my YouTube to-dos I put in the to-do section, and then my priorities as far as freelance stuff, I went ahead and put them in this priority section and just put freelance. So that is it. I will go back in and highlight, and as far as what I highlight with, sometimes I check things off. If not, I just use this Crayola super tip, so nothing too crazy. But that is all that I purchased from the shop Dear Planner. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be going more in depth on how I plan on using these. And again, I'll be setting up my 2020 planner in another video from start to finish. For all my functional planners out there, I did have a video request for that, so stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all the information on Dear Planner, the direct links to the inserts that I have, the coupon codes that I mentioned, and of course my entire Planning for 2020 series. Also be sure to check out the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is at chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed already, would love to have you join the Chaotic Critic fam. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.